welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry that this video is coming out so late, but I've been busy and kind of sick too, so hope you guys can bear with me. But I did want to go ahead and announce the giveaway winner, and honestly I feel like she won because she actually watched one of my last videos and there was a secret bonus entry. I didn't put it in the title or anything, I didn't put it in the description box. It was just at the end of the video, and literally you could have had as many bonus entries as you wanted, and she had multiple. And honestly I'm glad that she won because it seems like she was the only one who actually watched the video all the way through to be able to see the bonus entry. So you snooze, you lose on that one. You snooze, you lose. But Jenna Rotella is the winner of this month's giveaway, and I'm so proud that she is the winner. I'm very happy about it. She's already reached out and let me know how I can send her her package. So congratulations, Jenna. I'm so happy it was you. You seem like you are an actual true supporter and not just here for the giveaway. So now that this giveaway is finished, the next giveaway, I do believe that it's gonna be a while before I do another one. Maybe whenever we hit 1,000 subscribers, or even like after that, we will do another giveaway then. But I think for right now, I'm not gonna do as many giveaways because there's not as many people like actually like involved. I hope you guys continue to stay subscribed, continue to watch my videos. You know, you guys are a part of my family now, so I don't want you guys to go anywhere. Don't leave me. But you guys will see my face in the next video.